Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to automatically log in Windows 10 without password. Type netplwiz in Windows search bar. Click netplwiz. Uncheck, users must enter a username and password to use this computer. Click apply. Enter your password 2 times. Click OK. Click OK. Restart your system. Successfully log in without password. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.